Hey, how you doing? Do you remember I did a review of this radio recently and I said there were two things I wish it had? Well, guess what? Let me take this radio out of the way and then put my brand new radio that I just got there. This has both features. And the one feature is lighted dial. Very bright lighted dial, easy to read, black numbers on a yellow background. Actually, it's probably a white background, but it's got a yellow LED. The second thing that I wanted in the other one is a holder for a cell phone. Isn't that neat? Now, what I do in this situation is I use the cell phone to connect to Broadcastify, where I can listen to the local fire and EMS. And typically, unless you hold the cell phone close to your ears and mouth, the audio is not very loud. That's where the Bluetooth speaker comes in, which makes the audio very nice. This has very nice audio. This is sold by this company, Kalani Dean. It's normally $24.99. I got it on sale, and it's still on sale right now for $19.99. AM, FM, shortwave. The shortwave goes from 5.9 to 18 megahertz. Very, call it stiff tuning, so you don't jump around. Analog tuning. AM.
Chiefs defense needs to show up. You got a great matchup, huge total. Now, in the AFC than in the NFC.
Very sensitive. Even though I've got the radio pointed this way and the stations are that way, so it wants to be pointed that way. Let me see. Maybe I've got, no, that's AM. So here's FM. Got a telescopic antenna. It's about 20 inches. If I can get my hands on it. There it is. Does swivel. Has, look at this, a big, compared to other ones, solar panel. On this side is the charging ports, interface ports, USB, TF card, auxiliary input, and the charging connector for charging the internal battery. I didn't write it down. Oh my gosh. And it doesn't say. It says takes type D batteries. Oh, take them out when you got them in there when charging the internal battery. I don't remember what the capacity of the internal battery is. Here's are your controls for your playing TF cards. I don't have a TF card in there. I don't even know. I keep losing my TF card. I'll put it in a radio for a review and I'll forget to take it out and I'm like, okay, where did I leave it? So it's around here someplace. Nice handle. The controls, nice and smooth. Audio is very good. Good on those stations. Whoa. Great audio. See there, picking up a lot of stations. And that's on AM. No, I'm on FM now. That's on FM now. Sorry about that. I don't think I can get anything on shortwave. It's already after 8 o'clock. I'll try. Now there's muting with tuning there. There we go. That's probably 9330. Very short antenna, so it's struggling. It's in there somewhere. There it is. Let me use my clip-on 10-foot wire antenna. Oh yeah. See what a difference that makes? That's only 10 foot long, strung up in my office. You look at that. Or listen. There you go. Does have muting with tuning. So it's a DSP. I think that's out of Tennessee. Nice little radio. And it has a lighted dial and a place for your cell phone. Look at that. Pretty cool. You got to get you one of these. I like it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put this in my Amazon store. Please visit my Amazon store. The link to my store is in the description below each of my videos. And I get a small commission. It's getting smaller and smaller. It's only 2% now, I think. But it helps so I can pay for videos like this to show them to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.